Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Cali Rebuildables. Today I'm gonna do my second video on this stuff. Armor Shield 9 from AVALONKING Nano ceramic coating. And I don't know if you guys remember, I did this car, so that thing's coated already. I'll leave a link right here to check out that video. I love it guys, especially because I like rebuilding cars, and some of the cars I get to repaint them, and you know, I'm not a professional. It's got its flaws, so a good way to protect the paint and all that stuff from the elements, it's ceramic coating guys. Ceramic coating, this is gonna protect it from dirt, from, you know, your non-professional painting skills. So if you're painting cars like I do, or rebuilding cars the way I do, I mean, this thing, as you can see, I'm about to use this one, but I still have this one. So now I'm gonna do the Mini Cooper. I'm not gonna focus that much on prepping the car guys, because there's a video about this car. If you want to know how to prep the car the correct way, go ahead and check out that other video. Now I'm gonna get straight to this one. I'm gonna wash it, clean it, and I'm gonna skip all of that and get to applying it in the hood. I'm just gonna do the hood for now, just to show you guys. I'm actually gonna do half of the hood. I'm gonna do half of the hood, that way you guys can see the difference between the one that's coated and the other half that's not. Pointing out the black plates. If you guys live in California guys, you see these black plates and that one. Well, this one is vinyl wrapped, and it's got the yellow reflective vinyl lettering. That one is painted black, and it's got the same reflective vinyl for the lettering also for those plates. So if you guys need some plates, live here in California and need some of those black plates, check the link up here, so you guys could order your black plates. And so you could either paint them black or use the black vinyl. You'll see the two kits right there. But let's get to coating half of this car, I mean the hood. I'm gonna clean it, prep it, and clean it. The car's gonna be ready to coat in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so we got the hood ready. Forget about that dent. No cleaning will get rid of that dent. So I cleaned it evenly, but those water drops probably drying right now. But like I said, I'm gonna concentrate on this half and do ceramic coating on this half. So if you guys, so this is not an instructional video guys. If you're looking for an instructional video, go down to the link. Like I said, you'll find a video of me doing this car. So and if you guys want to get some ceramic coating for your car, you get $25 off using promo code Cali25, the link below guys. So take advantage of that, $25 off guys. So let's get back to the video. Okay guys, I already taped off half. I'm gonna start applying the ceramic coating. Make sure you use a lot guys. that's it, guys. We're gonna let it sit, and we'll see tomorrow what happens. Remember to use plenty of it, guys. I'm just gonna let it there for a while, maybe let it dry. It's getting dark, there's no sun, so keep that in mind. If it's pretty sunny, you might have to wipe it off or buff it a lot quicker than what I'm gonna do right now, because it's, like I said, it's getting dark and there's no sun. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more and then buff it down with this, and that's pretty much it. See you guys tomorrow. I'll probably remove the tape right now and wait till tomorrow to see the difference between the ceramic coated part and the section that's got no ceramic coat. So see you guys in a bit. I'm pretty sure you guys could see the difference. This section looks a lot darker, a lot richer, a lot newer than this one. This one's already looks faded, and even though there's no sun, as you can see, there's no sun hitting it, and you can see the difference. Imagine the sun hitting it. This side looks like the paint is practically in perfect condition, and I mean, the paint is good, but now comparing it to that side, this one looks old, burned up. We'll see tomorrow to see how it turns out. I mean, I have no doubt it's gonna, this section is gonna be way better than this one. But you get to see the water and all that stuff, how it reacts to the water. I think it's pretty cool. Really nice. You know, it's a nice thing to have in every car. So like I said, if you guys need some, I'll leave the link in the description. You guys get $25 off using the promo code Cali25. So there you go. See you guys in a bit, which is gonna be tomorrow or not. You guys know what I'm talking about. See you guys tomorrow, which is gonna be a couple seconds. What's up, guys? Totally different day, and it's time to test this thing out. It's only been a day. Remember, I did this yesterday. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna try with some muddy water, even though there's no mud or stuff like that. So I'm gonna make my own mud water. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do our own mud water. I'm gonna use a little bit of water there and get some clay. Hopefully it's not gonna work. Nope, it's not gonna work. I thought the clay might turn into some kind of mud, but no, it's not working. So I guess I'm gonna try some paint. Okay, guys, as you can see, the next day it's around the same time. So it's been already like maybe 24 hours since I applied the ceramic coating on this. So I'm gonna get the hose and see the difference between this side and that side. Here we go. So there's the difference, guys. See the water here and see the water over here? Look at that. That's a big difference, guys. I mean, whenever you get to wash the car after you apply the ceramic coating, it's gonna make it a lot easier for cleaning. So imagine this was dirty water. But you know what? Let me go get some dirty water. Okay, guys, I got my dirty water, which is just a water bottle with some paint, some brown paint. It's a lot easier and faster instead of getting some dirt and making some muddy water. So let's see how this thing works. So as you can see, that's the same water that we poured on it right now. But let's say you go into some potholes or you in the rain and you encounter some dirty water. So I'll put a lot over there. I'll put some over here. There it is, guys. Check it out. That's the difference between Armor Shield 9 and just regular wax. So cleaning it is as simple as this, guys. So I'm gonna do the whole car also. As you can see on this side, I'm still applying some water, but there's still some There's still some, you can't probably tell on the camera, but there's still some of that paint still stuck to it. Once again, look at this side, guys. You can even see the difference between half of the hood and this side of the hood. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Tell me that's not cool. Okay, guys, so that's pretty cool if you ask me. Now, if you guys are thinking of doing ceramic coating, this is a good way to go. Armor Shield 9 works really good. If you guys prep the car the right way, like I said, if you guys need to know how to prep the car before applying the ceramic coat, I'll leave the link for that video on this video's description. So, and also, guys, don't forget that you'll get $25 off your next purchase using promo code Cali25. I'll leave the link in the description. Also, remember Cali25 to get $25 off your purchase. So also, guys, you guys get to clean it as quick as this, as easy as this. Now check this side. Different one. So there it is. See how quick I got that thing dry? You can still see some of these, but nothing compared to this. I had to use 2 of these microfiber cloths on this side, and still I need to go over it one more time, maybe a couple more times. But yeah, guys, Armor Shield 9. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much for the video. I hope you guys like it. And once again, if you guys are in search for some ceramic coating, this is a good way to go. Don't forget to check out my license plate repair kit, guys, for the black legacy plates in California. As you can see, this thing's still drying. That was completely dry. There's still a streak right here, but you get the point. See, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, leave a comment. I'll try to reply to most of the comments, and see you guys in the next one.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code Cali25. Link in video's description.